Hey team, in this quick video we will go over how to input samples in Lab Tracker. To start, click Add a new sample. This will create an ARL record. Once there, enter the sample name or description, and a lot number if you have one. You can also enter an expiration date, which is totally optional. Next, select a sample matrix. It is extremely important to select the correct matrix because it's going to determine the sample preparation for testing. Once selected, give it a second, and the system will automatically prompt you to select the industry. Select the sample stage. This can be work in progress, raw material, or finished good. Select the turnaround time. This can be updated later on as you go inputting testing as well. Enter a serving size if you would like one, or if any of the testing will be reporting per serving. If it's a liquid unit of measure, the option to enter specific gravity will be highlighted in red. But if you don't have that, no worries, we can run the specific gravity for you. If you would like any additional notes to appear in the COA, go ahead and add them in the additional notes on COA section. And a PO number can be added in the PO section. To add testing, I will now click on the blue Add Analysis button. A drop-down for any testing that I have been quoted for before will appear. You can also do a quick search by starting to type the testing you would like. It's important that the testing selected is from the drop-down or that you reach out to us to get a quote. Since I selected a rapid complete micro profile, I will now update the turnaround time to 3 days. Now that the testing has been added, I can go ahead and update any specs or unit of measures. The ID is now ready and I can either add a new record, duplicate this record, delete the record, or save the record. Saving the record will prompt you back to the home page. At this point, all that's missing is to print a sample submission form. That will be done in a separate training video.